Hey guys, Justin from Offtrack RVs here. We've just moved into our brand new indoor-outdoor massive showroom at Epping. I'd love to take you guys for a sneak peek to have a look at our brand new dealership. Come through, have a look. We're really selective with the range of brand new vans that we sell. We've got two brands that we sell in the new range market, and that's the Radiant Caravans that we have here. The reason why we picked and selected Radiant Caravans is their quality, their value for money, and the full list of specs that you guys get. You go to a Radiant Caravan, if you want to go fully off-road and you want an under 100 grand budget, the Radiant Caravan is 100% for you. It comes with everything: off-road suspension, lithium batteries, toolboxes, outdoor showers, you name it. It's got that's the reason why we've selected the Radiant Caravans, the quality and the value for money. Then we've got our Vacationer Caravans all over here. The reason why we picked Vacationer Caravans: aluminium frame, full off-road, cruise master suspension, fiberglass walls, honeycomb floor, and their quality and value for money is again second to none. So let's have a look at the dealership. You can see we've got about 15 vans internally on display here in the Vacationer range and a few of the Radiants on display. With the Vacations, we've got different models to pick from their top of the range Dakar, from their Rough Rider, which is perfect for full off-grid, from their Wraith, which is perfect for your off-roading, everyday off-roading. Also, Offtrack RVs, we're a family-based business that have been in the caravan industry for over 35 years. And it's our job not to just sell you a caravan, but to actually educate you and inform you and find the right caravan that actually suits your needs.